going on, y'all? It's your boy K1K, and I'm finally back in this thing for another episode, y'all. It's been a long couple months since I made a video. Like I was telling you guys before, I was on business travel for a couple months out in Kansas, and you know, finally back home. Got a chance to spend some time with everybody for Christmas, and preparing for New Year's coming up. Don't really have nothing major planned for that. Just gonna hang out, chill, maybe shoot some fireworks and stuff, and just relax. So, but what you guys been up to, man? Hopefully not getting mad and unsubscribing or anything like that. But yeah, man, just wanted to talk to you guys about future plans for Arya coming up. I did get a chance to order a couple things here and there, and haven't had a chance to put them on yet because I've just been busy just hanging out, you know, with the family and stuff. But I did get a certified rider aero disc a while back. Pretty much, I think the week I left, it came in. I had a friend of mine who recently got into doing CNC type stuff just for fun for now, but plans to make it a business too. He made me some block off plates that he's going to be shipping me soon. I just need to get them anodized and stuff before I throw them on the bike. I'll post a sneak peek pic here in the description, or well, in the video here. You'll check it out with my logo on them. And then also he made an oil cooler delete plate as well. I didn't utilize the oil pressure gauge fitting like the other two that are out for the bike. I don't plan on ever running oil pressure for this. If it was a bike that was boosted or something like that, built motor or some things like that, maybe I would, but I decided I didn't want that. So, you know, it's gonna look a little different, but pretty awesome product. Also, I finally got my hands on a modified airbox. Had a good deal on it, man, so I ended up just scooping that instead of getting my cut up to save some time messing with that stuff. And you know, got some 16 to 18 stacks that are modified that I need to put in this bike too, just to do some testing, man. My MPT stacks have been putting in work. I just want to test it out and kind of see how it is, you know, if it does better for me or not. And also, after just recently watching Brock's video, the 16 to 18 stacks, or the 21 stacks, I mean, on the dyno seem to have the better power band for what I would like personally. I want to say the Carbon Smith stacks in the video made like another 1 or 2 peak horsepower, but the stock stacks had more horsepower throughout the RPM range everywhere else, you know, mid-range, low to mid. And me being a bigger dude, I'd prefer that. I'm not going to be skywalking anybody or anything like that at my weight, unless I'm racing people like the same exact weight and all that stuff all the time. But I'd rather have more usable power band than just a few more peak up top. And I think that where it kind of gets people too, man, is seeing them numbers at the very top. They're like, oh, this bike makes more, this car makes more. But when you have a power band that's more broad and that power and more RPM in several different ranges, man, the bike or the car, I believe, is going to perform better overall. So that's something to consider when you guys are thinking about that stuff. But so we'll see. Gonna do some testing with that, and we'll go from there. But yeah, Arya's still on E85. It's pretty much her daily fuel type. And I do have an MR and a 93 map actually. But as of now, you can only have the 2 in the bike. But yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. Looking forward to some of the stuff for next year. Some point next year, I'll get some wheels. You know, still back and forth between ceramic bearings or premium steel bearings. So we'll see on that. You know, just a couple different things I want to try out and see what's up. But and then also I want to get it weighed, so you guys will be a part of that too. Track Ready Performance does have some scales, so whenever I get the other little weight loss stuff done minus the wheels, I take it in and see. My guess is probably going to be like 380-ish, you know, or low 380s, somewhere in there. But we'll see, and that's of course with no fuel in it, completely dry. So we'll see, but that's my guess. What do you guys think is going to weigh? You know, based on you guys knowing what it is and what the bike has had if you watch the previous videos and stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Also, other 6th Gen ZX10 guys, what are you using for velocity stacks? What are you guys seeing, you know, power wise, and what you guys feel has been the best for you guys on the street? Let me know. But another thing I think I'm gonna do too, and I didn't think it was really a necessity at first for our bikes because the gearing's different, but I'm hearing some different things and seeing some pretty good results on some other videos, is a Robinson first gear 41 tube. So debating that too. They're not that expensive, and I'm pretty mechanically inclined, so if I get it, I'll probably just do it myself. And you know, while the trend is out, could always send the gears to get a race cut. So thinking about doing that stuff too. So we'll see. But you can see it's pretty overcast and cloudy out here today, but it's super good temps, man. Shoot, I can't even see what the temps are here. On this other gauge setting, it's easier to see it, but I want to say it's like right around 70 and just overcast today. So I want to take advantage and get a little bit of riding in, talk to you guys some, and let you guys know what I've been up to. But that's pretty much it as far as future plans for Arya. I do plan to also get another track or get another bike sometime. I'm hoping to pull it off this year. You know, looking at some potential life changes, so I may need to hold off on that, but we'll see. And like we discussed before, something for the track if I do get another bike, because I do love the corners and twisties and stuff too, man. Track days and all that. So obviously with the extended swing arm, I'm not going to be doing none of that stuff, but so I want something else so I can have the best of both worlds, man. Nothing huge, another 600 or something. So we'll see. And depending on what happens with work, you know, stuff I got going on, I do want to hit some other events, you know, in Texas and maybe even out of Texas too, just depending on my schedule and everything. So we'll see on that. I know I've been talking about that for a minute, but it's still part of the plan, still part of the process, man. So stick with me and we will see what we get. But I guess that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today, guys. Please do me a huge favor and check out my boy Tony at S Ideas. It's the guy I told you that make parts for my bike. He's my best friend, known him many years, Army veteran, all that good stuff. But just all around solid individuals, man. He engraves, he CNCs, and does different little things like that. So please check out his socials. I'll put the links down below. And thanks for supporting your boy as usual. Glad to be back on the channel. I'm glad to have you guys back. Keep supporting me and I'll support you guys, and talk to me and I'll talk back, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.